Rain Serna.
Para sa pinakamahusay na actress ay si Charlie.
Galingan mo ah, galingan mo ah.
Para sa di matatawarang kahusayan sa pag-arte.
Yes, ano po? Ano pong problema tayo?
Walang kapois-pois pa din.
Anong problema tayo?
Beb ko ganito rin eh. Walang kapois-pois.
Para sa di matatawarang kahusayan sa pag-arte, sa papel ng isang mahirap na babaeng grocery cashier na kinailangang maging matigas at palaban para mabuhay. Kaya nahirapang magtiwala muli at umibig sa isang lalaking tapat. Para sa kahangahan.
Sino kaya ang famous worthy na performance ang nararapat po na mag-uwi ng tropeo ngayong gabi? Here are the nominees for Best Actress.
Best Actress.
Catherine. Baka may title.
Catherine Bernardo in A Very Good Girl.
Nakita mo ba yung office babae? Nakita mo ba?
Maricel Soriano in His Mother's Eyes. Charlie Dizon in Third World Romance. Marian Rivera in Rewind. Sharon Cuneta in Family of Two.
It's Catherine Bernardo.
Eugene Domingo in Becky and Bodette.
Alam na ni Sonia.
And the famous for Best Actress goes to...
Catherine Bernardo.
Uwian na. Para masaya lang. Best Actress! Uwian na? Pinasasaya ko lang, Famas. Congratulations po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo. Best Actress, Catherine Bernardo!
Maricel, Sharon, Ugi.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Una-una, ang bigat pala ng ano, no? Ang bigat ng trophy nyo. It's my first. This is my first. Thank you so much po, Famas. Nung tinanggap ko ang pelikulang A Very Good Girl, hindi naman po ako nag-expect ng any awards or nominations. Tinanggap ko ang proyektong ito dahil naniwala po ako sa material at nagtiwala ako sa mga kasama ko. Siguro, umaapaw lang po yung saya kasi nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng pelikula at minahal at sinuportahan siya ng mga tao. So maraming salamat po. This movie, A Very Good Girl, is a product of hard work, love, and passion. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta, sa lahat ng nagbigay ng oras, at sa lahat ng nagmahal sa pelikula namin. Sana sa lahat ng mercy at filo sa mundo, sana nabigyan ko kayo lahat ng boses. And of course, gusto ko din i-share itong award na to sa lahat ng bumubuo ng A Very Good Girl, my Star Cinema family, my co-actor, Miss Dolly De Leon, our director, Peter San Vargas, oh my God, P, we did it! At sa lahat ng sumuporta at sumusuporta sa akin hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat. Your Very Good Girl is a very happy girl tonight. Thank you so much, Famas. And congratulations din sa lahat po ng nominees. You have my respect. Magandang gabi po. Thank you.
He has given his title 7 times in the last years, and this year, in spite all the changes she has gone through, she has now managed to once again win that crown all on her own. Her role in A Very Good Girl is certainly out of her comfort zone, yes, but she was able to live out her character perfectly and even made the movie the second top grosser for 2023. Kaya sabay-sabay tayo. Let's all hail our box office queen, the one and only Catherine Bernardo!
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation, our engineer Rick Santiago and James Mendoza.
So this wouldn't be possible without A Very Good Girl. So I'd like to thank my Star Cinema family and my ABS-CBN family for entrusting this project to me despite all the challenges. To my bosses and to everyone, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And I'd like to share this award to Peter San Vargas, my dearest P, our director. From the moment I changed your name in my contacts after you messaged me, I knew we would get along. I admire your hunger, your passion, and your vision for the Philippine film industry. I know I told you this so many times, paulit-ulit na ako. You are an amazingly talented human being. I will always be rooting for you, and maraming salamat sa pag-guide mo sa akin sa proyektong to. Also, I'd like to share this award to Miss D, Miss Dolly De Leon, of course. My fellow Aries, working with you has been a highlight in my career. Thank you so much for being with me in this journey. Philo wouldn't be the same without Molly, and Kath wouldn't be the same without Miss D. You will always have my respect. I miss you so much. Maraming salamat sa experience, sa learnings, but most of all, thank you for the friendship. Sorry, mamilistahan ako, so isa-isahin ko lang sila. And to everyone, of course, who made this film possible. The cast, our staff, our crew, our DOPs, Noel Tehanki, our talented and hard-working writers headed by Ate Carmi Raimundo, our producers, Leo Marie, thank you so much for the never-ever-ending guidance. I'm sharing this award on behalf of all of you. This is a win for all of us. And to the fans! No, ito na. Thank you so much for allowing me to explore a different genre and still having my back no matter what happens. I never felt your hesitation. You've always trusted my career decisions. And hindi nyo alam kung gaano yun ka-importante sa akin, so salamat sa pag-iintindi. And of course, to Guillermo Awards, thank you so much for this incredible honor. Maraming salamat po. When the movie was released, we were still recovering from the pandemic. It was such a challenging time for the industry. We didn't know kung yung ginawa namin would be enough to encourage the people to go back to the cinemas again. We didn't know if the audience would be ready for something new, something out of the box, like A Very Good Girl. But you all surprised us and you all delivered. Higit pa po dun yung binigay nyo at maraming salamat. Sabi nga ni Philo, you guys are murderers because you killed it. Maraming salamat na unti-unti na pabalik natin yung mga tao sa sinihan at ang laking bagay ng A Very Good Girl dun. AVGG is a project that will always be close to my heart because of what it represents. A brave material about powerful women. It's about women who are not afraid to go after what they want and to fight for what is right. Hanggang sa matapos po namin i-film na ito, yung mga lessons na iniwan sa akin ito, I will be bringing them to my heart and to my life. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng lessons. And lastly, I'd like to acknowledge my fellow actors and the people behind the camera who share the same passion and goal. We are celebrating so many wins tonight. And this moment is proof that together, we can keep the Philippine cinema alive. Maraming salamat po.
I love you too, Dad.